Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously let's start off by opening up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, delete all data factory reset, which will give you an info that this will remove basically everything listed right here. Now the most important things in my opinion are things like music, photos and user data. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep from this list, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, click on erase all data once more, and this will now begin the process, which will take about a minute or so. And once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.